Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the XML and HTML software that we have is going to work. So here we have our software. You could get this on autopostingtools.com, and it has around 122 modules. So the one we are talking about today is the XML and HTML Beautifier. So whenever you click here, this is what we get, and then there is two ways to get this. So one is HTML, the other one is XML. So sometimes whenever you have an XML file, for the people that doesn't know what XML is, it's something like this. This is like kind of one code that you could have, or this is one other kind that you could have. So in this case, we're going to copy this, and we're going to show you what happens when we use our software. Whenever you paste it here, what the software is going to do is going to beautify this code, meaning that whenever you click on this, it's going to make it more readable. So in this case, for whoever that knows XML, XML is just like a way to transmit information between applications. In this case, we have an object here that's called company, and each company could have different mini objects called employees. And then employee will have addresses inside there. And then basically what this does is it just converted from this to a more readable version of this XML code. This is very useful for whoever is working with XML files, so they are able to read the files more easily and they are able to modify the files more easily. Plus, it's going to give you like a better structure for reading this. So meaning that, for example, if this is the parent object, it's going to separate them, and then it's going to indent the different parts of that object to make it more readable for you. So this is one way that you could do it with XML code. Now I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to show you what else you could do with this software. So this software also works for HTML code. Whenever you paste it here, imagine that this is the code that you have. We're going to be using this code because this is code that I use whenever I'm scraping information. So this is going to help me to identify like for example, if you try to read this, it's going to be a little bit more difficult because it has a lot of code and all the code is all together. So I'm just going to make this a little bit larger so you could see this information, and then you click Beautify Code. So what this does, it's just going to separate it into different elements. So for example, whenever this is found, it's going to make a break line, so you could find all these different information, and this is more readable than this. This is like contains a lot of things all together, and here you could find easy, for example, this is a link, so you could find the link. You could find whenever the time. You could find a lot of things with this. So it's just more easy to read than like this than to read it like that. So this is what this is for. This you could click copy. Basically, this is going to be below. I just need to modify that a little bit. So I just could go back here, and you could copy this and copy it into a Notepad, so it's like more easy to read if you want to. So we could erase that and we could paste it here, and you could find data more easily, and you could find where you're going to be getting content from, or whatever. So basically this is what the beautifier does, and it's for XML and HTML, and you can get it on autopostingtools.com. This is going to allow you to find things more easily and to be able to read the HTML code more easily. Same thing with the XML code. So if you want to get it, you could get it on autopostingtools.com. Along the 125 modules that we have, you could find them here as well. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.